Ayun, so naging translucent na, kaya ilalagay natin ang ating vegetable. Yan. Bell pepper lang ang ating lulutuin ngayon. Ito, full of vitamin C at saka very good for your health. Kaya, sige, magluluto tayo ng bell pepper. Ayan. So, dahil sauteed po siya, gusto natin ng babasan ang water content nito. So, high heat. And then, roll it in the oil. Tapos, hayaan na lang natin siyang ma-wilt. Ayun. Tapos, dagdagan natin ng celery. Ayun, charred na ang ating bell pepper. Pag napansin nyo, medyo burnt na yung mga onion, but that is what we are looking for. Ayan. Yung ganyan, no? Ayan. Parang caramelized bell pepper. Ayun, so maglalagay na tayo ng seasoning. It's just pepper flakes at saka asin. Ganon lang yun. Ganon kasimpre. Yan. Tapos mix. Smells so good. Okay. Tapos, yan. Finishing garnish. Yung lang yan. Yung shoots of celery. Ayun. So, tapos na ang ating dish.